Hello, thank you for tuning in today. My name is Steph. If this is your first time to our channel, welcome. We appreciate you tuning in, so thank you very much. If you are a subscriber, you know what you mean to us. Thank you very much. So yeah, I say our, not like as in royal or anything like that, not like as in we, like we are royalty. No. We as in me and my grandbaby who comes on here and yeah, he critiques me. He gets real. He lets y'all know. he keeps me in check. No, he lets you know if he likes the curriculum. He does activity reviews. He gives it thumbs up, thumbs down. Yeah, we talk a little bit about everything. We talk about books. We talk about curriculum. We talk about activities. We talk about homeschool. I have a chronic illness. So I kind of talk about what it's like homeschooling with a chronic illness. I haven't really disclosed what my chronic illness is yet. That will probably come within the next few videos so you guys get an idea of exactly what I'm dealing with. I can tell you that it is a disabling illness. Yeah, that's what I'll say about that for now. Anyway, so today I'm going to talk about our language arts program and how it's going. And we're doing learning language arts through literature. We're using the Blue Book. So I'm going to talk a little bit about it. I'm going to give it a review. We've been doing it for 3-4 months now. And let you guys know if we're liking it, if what we think about it, and if I'm leaning towards it for next year or not. So call your friends. I'm playing. No, I'm really not. Go call them. Tell them to watch the video. Yeah, do it. I'm waiting. Come on, do it. No. But yeah. Learning language arts through literature, the Blue Book. Now, the reason that we started this program was, first and foremost, it had everything I was looking for. It had phonics, it had reading, it had spelling, it had grammar, it had vocabulary, handwriting, and critical thinking, all in one book, all in one curriculum. It also had literature, but not chapter books. It was still picture books, and he is in the first grade. He kind of learns a little bit like you can just tell him on some things. And so for instance, in math, I can tell him what to do, boom, he does it. Okay. Other things though, he needs to see it and then he can do it. Other things, it kind of needs to be repeated for him. So I can't say that he is an auditory or sensory. I mean, I can't say that he is just one type, right? He is, he's just, kind of like me, all over, okay, all over the place. I knew I didn't want to do a lot of just worksheets. Ways that we were learning to read. Now, he was picking up on phonics, and he was doing very well with phonics, and he was doing very well with Explode the Code. So that's kind of what we focused on. And then we brought in Bob books, right? He still loves Bob books. He reads them, he can comprehend them. I mean, there's just something about the Bob books that he loves. He can't wait to read them. And so he reads those along with the reader that we have in learning language arts through literature. Go on the website, take the test to where your child needs to be. I think that this is just me in my opinion, this is what is or isn't working for me and my grandson, okay? So let's just get that right there. What works for me may not work for you and yours. I hope it does, but it may not. And that's okay. There are a lot of curriculums out there. I know this one is a little bit expensive, so that's why I'm trying to give you as much information as I can so that you can make your decision. This curriculum does go rather quickly. We have been doing it for approximately 4 months, but we've had a couple of weeks off due to, you know, my health and a few other things going on. Do I think that this is teaching him how to read? Yes, I do. Because the sight words are there, the phonetics are there, handwriting is teaching him how to spell. Yes, I do. Because when we're doing our phonics cards and blending, he picks out words as well, and he will start sounding them out. So for example, you know, cat, for instance, he'll sound k and he'll say, okay, and he'll show me the C and the A and the T, and he'll say, okay, Mimi, what's this word? So he has fun trying to find words in our phonetic blending cards. So yes, he is getting his spelling in that area too. You can do those types of activities, especially if that's something that he asks to do. I'm going to let him do it, you know, and kind of give him the backbone of spelling. Now, the one thing that it does say is don't let them spell anything with this yet or this yet. And looking further into the book, there is a reason they say that, and it is because they are going to go over the AY, the EE, the EA. They're going to go over that with them. So there's going to be a teaching method that they are going to use that I like. It's going to show the student how to blend using the CH, the EE, the EA, okay? So it's going to show them how to do that. So I try to stick with their spelling rules, and when he's blending his cards. Let's see, lesson 3, part 3, tack, plan, plug, gloss, cram, kick, luck, kiss, stack, okay? Part 3, lesson 3, phonetic cards, PL, CR, BL, TR, ST, GL. And those are together. I don't know if you can see. These are the together cards here. So it's a sound that we will blend here and make our blending words here, okay? It also teaches him grammar in a way that it's sticking. I mean, you know, quotation marks, exclamation point, question mark, capitalization, a noun, you know, things like that. And it does it in the literature way. Like, look at the book you're reading. Now, go and find a book and pick out, you know, and show your teacher, or, you know, show your mom, show your grandparent, you know, the quotation marks. See if you can find the quotation marks and retell. So he's getting that. Reading comprehension. So it does suggest that you read the story to your student, and at the end of the week, have them read it back to you. And during this time, you're doing student activities. So there is a lot of sequencing in the student activities book. For instance, here, where if he reads the story, then after he reads the story, he is going to have to sequence the book, and he is going to have to retell the story after we have read it one time. And then I know that he is comprehending what he is reading. If I read something to him, then it says, ask him these questions, and this is kind of the way that they should answer, and like I said, I think I showed you guys, a 6-page story, but he could retell the story. So is that there? Yes, it is. To me, it is. The writing. I haven't seen a lot of writing. What I have seen is the foundations of writing being placed in this book. And I will make another video because my time is running short. And when I say my time is running short, it's, they're kind of cutting us off at this 15-minute mark. So I kind of want to stay within that. But I do want to go over the writing because I think that the way that they approach it is a good method. So anyway, I'm going to make a part 2. So you guys stay tuned for part 2. And I hope you enjoy part 1. And I hope I've given you at least some good information to go off of. And I will try to get the next video out that's coming up week. So y'all look forward to that, okay? So until then, be good to each other and be the sunshine in someone else's day. Bye-bye.